So, what happens on a cruise ship at Christmas? Let's go behind the scenes and see how crew and guests celebrate the holidays at sea. Today is the 76th day that I'm working at reception on the cruise ship Costa Smeralda. Tomorrow is Christmas, so we have a very special atmosphere these days on board the ship. Beautiful Christmas decorations, Christmas music is playing in the lounges, we have special events organized for guests on the daily program, and we also have special celebrations for the crew. Today in the crew mess, there is a Christmas buffet with special food, drinks and beautiful Christmas decorations. It is cool to have something different. Though there is always a plenty of food in the crew mess, still it's more or less the same every day, so special buffet like this is highly appreciated. I liked the cool decorations made from different fruits, and we also had a traditional Italian Christmas sweet bread called panettone. There are different drinks served today: iced tea, 7-Up and wine, which normally you never get in the crew mess. So I enjoyed it. In the evening, I went to check the Christmas show for guests. It was very sweet. Our singers and dancers created a really warm atmosphere. The Christmas concert was very beautiful. The music, the songs, the atmosphere really gave me this nice holiday feeling. Today, during the show, the head of our department saw me taking videos of the show, and then they put in consigna, which is important information that is given to us during the meetings that we always have before starting the work shift. So they wrote there that if we go to shows, we cannot obstruct the view of guests and we cannot take videos. So I guess I will not be doing it anymore, or I will have to be very careful, because in general we are not supposed to take any videos of guests or in guest areas, because they can come and complain about it, about entering their privacy. But in this situation I was just taking the videos of the show, and still they say that we are not allowed to do it. At 11:30 p.m. we had a get-together at the back office of reception to have a small celebration and to get the gifts of the Secret Santa. They decorated the office for Christmas, so it looked very cozy. All our department got together: receptionists, international hosts, hospitality supervisors, manager, and hospitality and operational director. Only a couple of people stayed at the front desk, one person was at the main phone, and others were at the back office celebrating. The majority of us were already off duty. First we had some champagne and then started distribution of the Christmas gifts.
Normalmente la reception è Mazzoni non si vede così, ragazzi.
Ciao ragazzi, come fate?
Auguri.
Merry Christmas.
È arrivato il soccorso. Beh, la metà è arrivata, adesso ci
È scritto male.
Guarda, già sai.
Per Marco, questo è mio, che bello.
Quello che si fa una canna, io ho fatto. Sì, aspettate, chi è che ha detto che...
I don't know who my secret Santa was, but I liked my present. It was a small, pretty cosmetic bag with some cosmetics of the Italian brand Kiko. Thank you, my secret Santa, for the nice gift. Also, this week we have a chaplain on board, so several holy masses are going to be organized during this period, and it's also possible to meet the chaplain for confession. And this evening there was a holy mass in the Sanremo theatre for both guests and the crew members together.
Deliver us from all lawlessness, and to cleanse for himself a people as his own, eager to do what is good.
Today, all crew members received in their cabins cards with good wishes from the captain for Merry Christmas and the Happy New Year, and the candy. And tonight we have a Christmas party organized for the crew in the crew bar.
The Klaus over here.
I'm doing early shift now, so I finished work quite early and we met in the crew bar with my friends when people just started getting together. We started celebrating early. Later on it became super crowded, and as usually there was a lot of alcohol and a lot of dancing. Today is a new year, and on this day we have celebrations for guests in different locations on the ship. There are New Year disco parties in several places and also open buffets. So after work I decided to go and take a look.
Desde dentro de mí, una musiquilla que suena tal que así.
And we also have a crew New Year party in the crew bar. Actually, we have crew parties every week. So I'm going to wear a white dress, the only dress I brought with me on board, and go celebrate the New Year. I never saw the crew bar that crowded. I guess everybody came to the party today. There was literally no free space. You could hardly move among people, and it was very, very hot. Working on board is not only about working hard and for long hours, but also about having fun whenever possible.